This tutorial will fill text with an image from a photograph. However, any image can be used instead of a photograph. Open the image in the GIMP using File Open. Rename the layer Photo. This tutorial involves transparency, so check that the photo layer has an alpha channel and add it if necessary. Right-click on the layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. Right-click on the photo layer and select Add Layer Mask. Choose white for the mask. A white thumbnail should appear to the right of the photo's thumbnail in the layer panel. Using the text tool, enter the text that you wish to make into the floating text. For best effect, you should choose a font that has thick letters. Set the text color to be white. Note that the GIMP puts the text onto its own text layer and gives the layer a name that is the same as whatever the text is you typed. Move the text using the Move tool so that it is positioned over the part of the original image you wish to use. Create a new layer. Name it Texture Mask. Fill the new layer with black. Move the black texture mask layer so that it is below the text layer. Right-click on the text layer and choose Merge Down. This merges the layer selected and the one immediately below it. The merged layer should now have white text on a black background like this. Move the texture mask layer down to below the photo layer. Make sure the texture mask layer is selected and copy it. Edit, copy, or Ctrl+C. Now select the photo layer's layer mask by clicking on it in the Layers dialog. Choose Edit, Paste, or Ctrl+V. This creates a floating layer. Anchor this down into the layer mask using Layer, Anchor Layer, or click on the anchor icon shown at the bottom of the Layers panel. The texture mask is no longer required, so it can be hidden. Select the layer and click on the eye. Add a drop shadow using the white areas of the texture mask layer, using the Select by Color tool, and make the shadow of the white text. To see the effect of the drop shadow on a white background, create a new layer below the drop shadow layer and fill it white. When you are ready to save the file, hide this white layer and save it in an appropriate format for use. PNG would be best if you have any transparent areas.